welcome to the Claas Farmhand Mike YouTube channel. A farming and outdoor channel that I started in 2012 that now has over 1,600 videos and thanks to you has over 180,000 subscribers with 100+ million total views and over 12 million hours of total watch time. I am filming and uploading new content all the time, so come along for the ride. In this YouTube video, I am sharing some footage I shot one evening in May of 2024 near Minerva, Ohio at a family dairy farm. As you will see throughout this video, this part of Ohio has a very nice rolling landscape to it as this farm is merging and chopping alfalfa hay. In this video, I have all the action of them merging, chopping, hauling the chopped alfalfa back to the farm that you can see in the background there, and pushing it and packing it in a silage bunk. First up in the video, they're running their John Deere 7800 tractor pulling an Oxbo windrow merger. Once they get these big windrows made, they're coming along with their Claas Jaguar 980 Self Propelled Forage Harvester. They're running 2 dump trucks and a John Deere 8330 tractor pulling an H&S silage cart. Also in the video, when we get back to the silage bunk, you'll see one of their John Deere 9320 tractors with a blade pushing and packing that silage. This farm also owns and runs one of the Claas Cougar self-propelled mower conditioners, which there was not a lot of those shipped over to the United States. They're very hard to find. I know there were several in New York, a few in Ohio. Anyways, they were all done mowing when I got here, so hopefully in the future we'll get that in a video. Anyways, I'm going to go back and forth in this video from the field back to the silage pile here, so you get to see all the action that happened the evening I was here. That's going to wrap up this video. Feel free to go down there, click on that like button, leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often. I'm always filming, editing, uploading new content to my YouTube channel. Hope to get back to this farm for some different videos in the future. Anyways, you can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my YouTube channel.